As you guys know, I like preaching about using DIY for your hair. So I actually have like aloe vera in my compound, and I'll be showing you guys everything, how they are growing, how it is sprouting. Just stay tuned, right? So this is one of the aloe vera plants in our compound. Can you see how it is flourishing and all of that? This particular one, you know that is already matured, right? And these ones are like the new ones coming off. See, this particular one is matured like that, so it usually sprouts in different forms, and yeah, by their size you will know if it is already okay or matured or not. So the one for your hair is actually the matured one, because you know it has all the juice and everything in the aloe vera leaf. So yeah, this is what I usually work with. Can you see it? So for this, all these spikes, you remove them when trying to work with them. You remove it, then you tear open the leaf and you scoop out the gel from it. So yeah, this one, you know that the aloe vera is fresh and ready for use. So this one is another one in another section of the house. So yeah, this is it. So like I said, this particular one is actually matured. This type are matured already. Then they have like more or less like the new offspring and all of that. So yeah, this is how it looks like, fresh and ready for use. So if I want to do like a pre-poo treatment, I'll just come and cut from this particular one. Can you see how juicy and very nice the leaves look? See it? I'll just cut from somewhere around here and use the juice. So that is how it's done. So yeah, this is basically it. And yeah, there's another one here. So it's more or less like aloe vera plantation, if there's anything like that. So this is just basically it, and voila. If you want to do your aloe vera gel, ensure that you use fresh aloe vera leaves. Fresh, not adulterated or anything, but fresh from the source, and you'll be glad you did. So anyway, I'll see you guys in my next, I don't want to fall. I'll see you guys in my next. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and voila. Use aloe vera as a DIY treatment, as a pre-poo treatment. So if you don't want to use your flaxseed gel, you can use aloe vera gel and you're good to go. I feel like aloe vera gel is less messier, and you know, you can easily navigate with it. But you see the flaxseed gel, with the whole idea of if you leave it for too long, it gets way thick that sometimes you might not be able to dispense it. That one is like, you get. But with this, whether or not you use it immediately, it will still maintain its consistency, except the fact that if you don't preserve it well, like maybe you don't exhaust it in a day and you leave it open, it will get oxidized and it will get spoiled, you get, very fast. So the best way to preserve it is in the fridge. Most of all these DIYs, the best way to preserve them is by putting them in the fridge, because you know the fridge will actually maintain their bioactive substance, you get. So regardless of whether you are using the aloe vera gel or the flaxseed gel, ensure you store it in your fridge, right? So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next. I'm your favorite hair coach, and as per usual, I have my ebook already, and the link is in the description box. Click it and get yours to learn more about hair growth, everything in general. Bye guys.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.